$249 on Amazon right now. $229 on Amazon right now.
Collectible pins. Sir, speaking of hats, are those hats for sale up there?
No.
No? Would you sell the Buffalo Bills one at least? No?
No.
Man.
Unless you want to.
Bag's 20? Okay.
And this is a three-wheeler. So that's 45.
Okay. I see
Let's
the
go for like 200.
I see the Yankees sweatshirt. You got any sports cards or any sports memorabilia?
No.
No.
No, but I have a friend of mine, although he's not selling it, he has seats from Shea Stadium.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. As well as other interesting stuff.
Rounder, huh?
Oh crap, I gotta bring my other down. If you want a high-end one, hang on a sec.
Okay. Yeah, so
This is high-end. This is $249 on Amazon right now. $229 on Amazon right now.
is this new or used?
Used. I used it. Reason why I'm giving it up is I went to fiber. I can't use it.
Oh, gotcha. What are you asking for it?
I was asking 75.
Let's see if...
Like I said, look it up on Amazon.
Yeah.
It's 220, 229. You can look it up by MG 8702.
Is the power cord in here?
Oh yeah.
Right there?
And you can throw an Ethernet cable in.
Yeah.
Now, like I said, you know, it's...
I would you do 50 for it?
60?
Some of the prices is kind of...
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do 60.
Okay, you got it.
I think it's fair. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Do you have any other like electronics or other stuff that
This
might
is
be?
the electronics table.
Okay.
So this is not, obviously not as high-end as
Yeah,
that one,
yeah,
you know?
yeah. Are these the docking stations?
Yeah. They're for HP laptops. When they were new,
Yeah.
these went for like...
Oh, I know. I used to use it
300.
at my corporate, when I worked in the corporate world, we used to have these.
I would sell them for $15 each. And if
Okay.
you want, I've got more. I
you?
think got more of them.
What, did you have a business or?
No, I worked for HP and I just kind of collected them.
Oh, okay. These docking stations really weren't selling for that much at eBay, so I decided to pass. Oh, can I pay you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's I'll show you.
No, just how much change?
It was $60. He charged me 60.
Okay.
So, what should I?
Oh, make sure you reset it.
Uh,
Where'd it go?
Me?
Oh yeah, make sure you hit the reset
Yeah.
button on it.
No, we'll do.
Okay.
How much are the covers?
2 for $1.
2 for $1.
If you can sell these on eBay, then I'd be proud of you.
These are a little beat up.
Yeah. What's all
That
the
was,
clubs?
yeah. So, all right. So I picked this up here. I think I can get 125 to 150 for this. So paid 60. So nice little profit. Christmas tree juice. Inversion table. Oh man, it's a nice bike. See the bike?
Yeah.
Just have all the stuff. Does it work?
Did you?
Yeah.
You don't need anything like in the hall. Like
Nah.
like
Maybe.
3 of them, and that's good. But I don't feel like taking them back.
Yeah. Covering stuff up.
You know, moving.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I'll ask him. Excuse me, you have 60 in this? Would you do 40? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it was just. Would you do 40 in that?
My husband's like 50.
Yeah, I won't be able to do 50.
No.
I'll do 40 if you're open to it.
All right.
Okay.
Just want to get.
I think I'll take your blankets too.
Okay.
That's all 3 for 5?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
When I looked this up on eBay, there's one currently selling for $100 and the one sold for $125. So I decided $40 is worth taking a risk on it. I also picked up all these moving blankets, so when I buy big lots in the future, I can cover things up. Golf?
Hey,
Look at this. A golf cart? Oh, look.
Did you see the wheel on it? Yeah, I did.
I didn't know it was a thing.
Yeah.
It's stolen.
Yeah.
No.
Oh. Oh, you took $1.
For what? For that?
2015. Keep an eye out for Christopher Radko Christmas ornaments. These sell really well. Brand new, these boxes were about 70 bucks each. They resell used for about 30 bucks. She wanted $8 each. A little bit too much, so I decided to pass.
You see this Nintendo Wii right here? How would you like to win it for free? That's right. This Friday, January 12th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we're going to go live on Whatnot, and we're going to give this away for free. Now, if you're not familiar with Whatnot, Whatnot is a live selling platform that sells everything from fashion to sports cards, collectibles, action figures, Disney, you name it, they have it. Most auctions start at $5 or less, and it's a great way to find some steals and deals. I'm going to be auctioning up everything in this garage, and we're going to be starting everything off super cheap. We have video games, comic books, sports cards, action figures, toys, vintage clothing, vintage postcards, ephemera, you name it, we have it. To be honest with you, I don't even know what's in these boxes. So we're gonna open up live on camera and see what we find. The best thing about Whatnot is they're gonna give you $15 for free just for signing up. So you can spend it on my show or anyone else's show. Now to get that $15, all you have to do is click on this link down below here, create an account. Once you create the account, you have to go to the App Store and download the Whatnot app. It looks like this right here. Now, once you download the app, all you have to do is go find Picking and Punching on here. And my account looks like this. Once you do that, you'll have all my shows there listed. And the best thing I forgot to tell you guys is we have a limited edition Picking and Punching Picking Mania sticker. It looks like this right here. And you guys will only get this on Whatnot. We're going to be putting it on the buy it now starting this Friday's show for $3. So sign up with your $15 and get the sticker for free. And I'd like to thank Whatnot for sponsoring this video.
Yeah, I thought they were heavier.
Thank you, man.
How you doing today, sir?
Good, I'm doing good.
How much are these smaller ones? They're not marked.
Oh, this looks cool.
These
No,
are
that's a set.
Oh, these are a set?
This,
All four is a set?
yeah, yeah. This
Gotcha.
and each of those. These
ten-
come out of here and they sit on that.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
And this is like a carousel.
Care set. Oh, those are sets. Oh, okay. That makes.
Looks like that.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense now.
Turn that over so people know.
People see it, yeah.
There you go.
Collectible pins.
There you go. Yeah, look. This is yeah. I had it rebuilt.
Ford.
I had to have it reattached. I didn't reattach, so it's like. Hey, Sue, ready?
What's this? Ford Senior Golf. Epcot.
National Championship. That's cool. Epcot.
I'm the one that lady.
That's okay.
Question for you, sir. There's no price. Oh, is this $2 or it was right here? Do you know the person?
Yep.
Okay. And then I saw you had these pins, but they didn't follow anything on your sign. So, so what were you looking for these ones?
How about $5 each?
$5 each. I'll do $5 for the pair.
How about 6?
6 for the pair.
Yeah. I should keep that one.
I know you were in it.
Yeah.
And then this was what was that? How much was this one?
2.
$2. Okay. I'll do.
How about 2 for $6 for it all?
$6 for it all.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds like a deal. You got any more like Disney pins and stuff like that?
What I had is over
Yeah,
here.
I was looking through. Were you a pin collector?
Pardon?
Were you a pin collector?
No, it's just things I picked up
Okay.
over the years. I worked for Ford.
Oh, gotcha.
That's why I got all these Ford.
Yeah, they're cool. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate the deal, sir.
You have a great day.
You too.
Over there.
Oh, yeah. Good call.
Yeah.
Sir, speaking of hats, are those hats for sale up there?
No.
No? No. So Tennessee, and then I see Michigan State.
You can't wear them all once.
What's
for Ford.
Oh yeah, so you're Michigan. That's why. Okay, that makes more sense.
You can't wear them all once.
Would you
can't wear them all once.
would you sell the Buffalo Bills one at least? No.
Nope.
Man,
Unless you want to give me $25.
I'll give you $25 for it.
You serious?
Dead serious.
You got it.
Let me double check. Make sure it looks.
Go for it.
He loves his hat.
$25.
Yep.
Deal.
Oh, let me see. I got any more Buffalo hats.
Well, I like that. I like that style.
Yeah.
Looks like a shark.
They better win this weekend, or I'm going to kill them. We were there the 4 years we went to the Super Bowl.
Oh, you're a Bills fan?
Where
Right
in
there.
Pennsylvania?
25.
Lehigh Valley.
Future Rod here. Let's talk about this pickup. Papa Punchin saw the shark tooth hat from afar. Great eye there. So it was up on the shelf. The guy told me when 25 bucks were. I just bought it because if you guys don't know, shark tooth hats are worth a ton of money. If it's the vintage ones from the 90s. When I pulled it down, paid for it, realized it was the Reebok one, which was a modern re-release. If it was the Logo 7 one, it would have been worth probably 150 bucks or more. Because it was the newer one, it's only worth about 40 bucks. So 30 to 40 bucks. Definitely a learning experience. Got super excited about it. Made an offer on it. And we'll break even.
Now it's back home.
Sure.
That's it. No more sales.
All right, what we got here? For the case?
Just a case.
I feel like that's worth it. What's your tool bag case?
Two thing in a store.
Yeah.
Husky.
How much is that?
Husky. 12. 12 hours. Tool bag and a thing.
Yeah.
Bed.
You're a bug. Amazon price, yours. Everything on the table is $1. The doors. What do we got over here?
How much was you asking for them?
For the mats, $5 for the set.
This watch used on eBay is going anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks. So at a $40 price point, I had to pass. Sir, does this work?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
It does?
We're not, I can't test it for you, but
Yeah.
it's
I wasn't sure if this was a.
100%. You can open up.
Yeah, I didn't want to take the tape off without.
No.
Is that what you're asking for? $3?
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, I'll just give you.
Just because it's older, that's all.
I'll give you $3 for it.
That's the only reason I marked it at that price,
Yeah.
just because it's
The amount of underneath.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Underneath the cover.
Are you guys? Do you have any other electronic stuff at all, or any sports cards, comic books at all?
Yeah, we got rid of all that before we
Did
moved
you?
down here.
Oh.
I was cards, coins, and
Yeah,
stamps.
that's why I saw the coins. That's why I was curious. So.
Yeah, got a bunch of stamps left. That's
Do you?
about it, though. So
What's this one here? Picture. Sharp image design.
I remember that one's a $2 bill.
I'm putting that aside and keeping it.
Do these both work?
absolutely, you can plug them in if you want. If you want me to.
Yeah, you have to. I just want to see what it looks like.
It has a unit on the back, the cord.
Through my husband.
They had to work at it if they were going to take it. Is this what's in the box? Yeah.
They're new or?
And then
They're
you
not
literally
new, but they
just
do work. They just need
clean
water.
it.
Yeah.
By wiping it, you don't. There's no filters or anything.
Backpacks?
Right,
What?
This is our.
But I like to
these
get
are the
these, but
prices
it's a
here.
yard, but
Yeah.
$2.
How much?
She just missed
These
these.
are all
Yeah.
brand new, full cut. Yeah, these are all brand new.
You getting this? How much is that?
$3 total.
3,
but
5. Okay, I used 6.
I don't know about.
Sir, I'll take that then. That, and then I got these here too. So we have 5, 7, 8. Did you want those? How much are those?
$5
For both cases,
$5.
13 bucks.
You know what?
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So 5, 10,
Oh,
13.
it's-
13.
You got it.
Thank you everybody for watching. I actually had a blast picking with my dad, Papa Punchin'. It's great when he comes to visit me. Make sure you guys come check us out this Friday night, Whatnot at 6 p.m. We'll give away the Nintendo Wii for free. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.